Hey boys and girls, welcome to another video. Today is the 15th of April. It is Wednesday, day 3 of week 3. Alright, so as you already know guys, the first 10 minutes of class is for your multiplication table. If it's taking you less time than that, that's absolutely okay, as long as it gets done first. Alright, so as we move on guys, we have our daily skill. Our daily skill practice today is adding and subtracting. Now, notice that I gave you 4 problems, including these 2 up top. Some of them I did not line up, and I did that on purpose. I need you to line them up with the decimal being straight. Okay? So if it tells you to add, you go ahead and add. If it doesn't, that means that you're going to probably subtract. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next part. Now, this is our anchor. Okay? So here we're going to talk about what we're going to see during our independent work. So conversion, guys. Conversion means that you get one thing and you change it into something else. Okay, so for example, here in this problem, they want us to change feet into yards. All right, so we understand that feet and yards are not the same thing, right? But we do know that 3 feet make 1 yard. All right, you can grab that information from the reference material chart that I supplied for you, okay? So now that I know that information, guys, I can go ahead and get started. Here, I can use my ladder. Now, we talked about the ladder for a few days in class. On this ladder, guys, we want to put the biggest unit on top and the smallest unit at the bottom. Okay, so when we're thinking about feet, we're thinking about yards. We also have inches. We also have miles. What is the biggest one? The biggest one is mile. So you put that on top. And then we have our yards. Then we have our feet, and finally we have our inches. Okay, so now what do we have here in this problem? In this problem, they gave us 648 feet. That's what I already have. I already have 648 feet. All right, now they want me to convert to yards. Look at where yards are on our ladder. Is it on top or is it at the bottom? It's on top, right? So I'm going up, guys. Okay, I'm going to be going up. So if you remember from class, guys, if we're going from a small, so think small right now. I'm going to give you a little drawing right here. Think small. And we're going to go to big. What does that mean? Notice how your arms are now out. What does that look like? It looks like division, right? So we're going to have to divide. We're going to divide by what? Well, remember the number that we brought in from our reference material chart? We're going to divide by that. So to solve this problem, guys, all we have to do is divide 648 by 3. Okay? Once you divide that, it's going to give you your total of yards. And that's how you do conversion. That can work with any unit of measurement. It could be time. It could be gallons and quarts. It could be anything, guys. Okay? Just remember to bring in the information from the reference material chart, 1. And 2, your ladder. Alrighty, so that's what you're gonna need to solve your next couple of problems. Now, also finding the total of money, guys. That's the next thing I want to talk about. In this story, it says Vivian has a $5 bill, so she has $5, 3 quarters. Okay, 3 quarters. So we can do it differently. We can do 25, 25. And 25, or if you know what 3 quarters makes, you can do that as well. Just 75, 2 dimes, and 5 nickels. Now a nickel, guys, is not written like that. That means it's 50. Okay, a nickel is not 50. A nickel is 5 cents. Make sure you put the 0 first, and then the 5. So we had 5 of them. If you know what 5 nickels makes, then you can also do that, which is a total of 25. Our 2 dimes made 20. Our 3 quarters made 75. And now I'm going to go ahead and add that. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9, 10. 11, 12. Carry the 1. Look at how my decimals are lined up. 5 plus 1 is 6. So Vivian has $6.20. But then she paid for a poster. She paid for a poster, guys, which cost $5.36. So the question wants to know, how much money does she have left? What do they want us to do, guys? So remember, you go into the store with 620 cents and you're going to buy a poster. Do you walk out with more money or with less money? With less. So that means that we have to subtract. Look at how my decimals are lined up. And I'm going to go ahead and subtract. Can I do 0 minus 6, guys? No. So I'm going to have to borrow. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 3. Can't do that. I need to borrow again. 11 minus 3. I can do that. That's 8. 9, 10, 11. That's 8. Bring down your decimal. 5 minus 5 is 0. So I am left with 84 what? $84 or cents? Cents, right? Do you have an answer that says that? Yes, your answer is B. Okay? So you're going to need these two guys in order to solve the next 3 problems. All right? I left number 2 out because number 2 is very simple. All you need is your reference material chart to measure in centimeters. All right? Remember, this is on assignments as well, guys. Once you're done, you can submit your answers through there so you can get a grade. And that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great one. Bye.